Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to find a location on Google Map. So let's get started the video. I start by opening Google Maps and simply find the area where you want to find a location. Once you find the area, long press that specific area on Google Map and you will see that red pin shows up. You will see some options shows up at the bottom. You can set the directions or save it from later. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.